Okay, Potato, are you back? Where are you?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Potato, please read again. Where's the cup? Again.
That is the cup.
Okay, next. Where's the fun?
Where is the fan?
Okay, very good. So we have cup, we have fun. Okay, next. We have here Potato.
How many
So
desks?
listen to the chant. Listen.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many? How many? How many desks are there? One. There's one. How many? How many? How many maps are there? Two. There are two. How many? How many? How many lamps are there? Three. There are three.
Okay. Okay, Potato. How, again? Potato.
Let's run and come back. Let's come back.
Okay, you want to listen again? What is it? Hello? You want to listen. Okay, listen again.
How many desks?
1, 2,
How many desks?
3, 4.
How many? How many? How many desks
How
are there?
many?
One. There's one.
How many desks?
How many? How many?
One.
How many maps are there? Two. There are two. How many?
Two.
How many?
Yeah.
How many lamps are there? Three.
How many?
There are
How
three.
many? How many? Yeah.
Okay, there you.
Three.
Okay, Potato, look at there. So, Potato, how many desks are there? How many desks? There are? How many desks?
One.
One desk. Potato, how many maps? How about map? How many maps are there?
Two.
Two. Potato, how many lamps are there?
No, it's three here. It's
Three. Okay, three. Very good. Okay. So here we go, Potato. Next one. Okay, now here. I have here this one. You're going to answer if it's is or are. Okay? Now, Potato. Is or are there any cupboards in the living room? What's the answer? Cupboards. Is or are? Again?
Yeah.
Is or are? Is
Are.
there? Are. Very good. Oh, encircle are. You can't write, right? Do like this. Are. Okay. Next, Potato. Number two. Listen, number two. Is
Okay.
there is or there are one wardrobe in the bedroom? What's the answer?
It are.
What is it?
It are. I don't know. Are.
Oh, wardrobe. One wardrobe. What do you use? One wardrobe.
Are.
Is or are? Only one. Wardrobe. Is or are?
Yes, pero
If we say wardrobe, it says
I
wardrobe.
don't know.
Oh, If it's only one wardrobe, you say is. Again, there is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Next, number 3. Potato, number 3. Please read. How many lamp or lamps are there on the cupboard? Lamp
I
or
don't
lamp?
know.
Huh?
No,
Use are
I
there.
don't know. I don't know.
You don't know? Wait me. Oh, look at here. Oh, let's just read. Okay, Potato, read number 1. What's number 1? Are there? Come on.
Are there?
Read number 1. Are there?
Are there? Are there?
Number
There
1.
are
Are there any cupboards in the living room? Again.
Are there any cupboard in the living room?
Oh, number 2.
I
Read
don't
number.
know.
It's
I don't
that's the answer already. Oh, number 2. There is again. Potato, where are you? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, number 2.
Yeah.
There. Come on. There is. Read number 2. There is
Yeah. It's
one wardrobe
road
in the bedroom.
and the bedroom. The bedroom. The
Okay,
bedroom.
number 3. Potato number 3. How many
How many
lamps are there on the
lamps
cupboard?
are there on the
Number 4. What's the answer number 4? There are 4 chair or chairs. What's the answer? There are 4 chair or chairs next to the desk. What's the answer, Potato? Chair or chairs?
for chairs?
Chairs. Very good. Chairs
Yes.
because it's many. Okay. Number 5. Number 5, Potato. There are 2 posters on the wall or in the wall. There-
Only.
What's the answer?
Only. Yeah.
There are 2
Uh,
posters on the wall or in the wall. It's
It's on. On.
It's on
On.
the wall. Very good. Okay, look at their Potato. We use the word, look at here. The answer is R because of the word cupboards. It's 2 or many. Okay? Okay, 2 or many. That's why cupboards are. Next, here, there is one wardrobe. We use is because it's only one wardrobe. Only one. Singular. Use is. Okay? Next, number 3. The answer is lamps, many, because of the question, are there? We use are if it's plural, many. Okay? You say, are there? Next, number 4. We use chairs because of the 4. Many. There are 4 chairs. Next, number 5. There are 2 posters. You hear on the wall? It's not in the wall because if we say in, that's inside. The posters are just on the surface. That's why the answer is on. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. But I like phones.
On.
I like to my thing. No.
You want to write, but
like
you cannot.
I like the computer.
I like
I
the
like the
computer.
computer.
Oh, but there's no computer. Where's your computer, Potato?
It's it's brother. Brother is iPhone.
Ah,
Brother is brother. And picture.
okay. Oh, that's why you don't have computer. Because brother is using the computer. It's okay. Oh, next time you use the computer. Okay, so you can write. Okay. Now here. Look at here,
The
Potato.
computer is so now what?
Ah, again? Again? Computer
Yeah.
is? What's an- oh. In the phone, you cannot write, right? Oh, but in computer, you can write. That's why this one, Potato, we cannot answer this one here because you cannot write on the phone. Okay, but here, let's just have to talk. Okay?
It's one. It's
Oh.
one.
Okay, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Potato, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture, Potato? What's in the picture? In the picture, there is, again, there is.
Living room. Living room.
It's not a living room. It's a dining room. Then, it's a
Dining room.
dining room. Okay. Potato, what are the things in the dining room? What can you see in the dining room?
I see
I see a. Again, look at the
I-
picture. I see.
I see six here.
Ah, I see 6 chairs. Very good. What else? What else?
I don't know.
What else can you see in the dining room? There's so many.
I don't know.
I see chairs, 6 chairs. What else? I see a table. Can you see a table?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see a table. Okay, what else? Potato, what else? I see 6 chairs. I see a table. What else? I see.
I see yeah.
What's that? What else can you see?
I don't know.
I see a TV. Is there
I
a
don't
TV?
know.
Is there a TV? Can you see the TV?
Yeah.
Yes, there is. Potato, is there a bed in the dining room? Potato, is there a bed?
Yes.
There's a bed. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, there's no. There isn't. Again, no bed. So there isn't.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
here. Potato, is there a cupboard?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
there a
Yes.
cupboard? Yes, there is. Again. Yes.
Just the it.
Okay, Potato, is there a refrigerator?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is. Is there a mirror? Potato, is there a mirror?
Yes.
Oh, there's a mirror? Are you
No.
sure? No, there isn't. Again.
No, there isn't. No.
Okay, no, there isn't. Because this is a dining room. Potato, what do you do in the dining room, Potato? What do you do in the dining room? Do you sleep in the dining room?
No.
What do you do? Come on.
Eat. Eat.
I eat. Say,
eat.
I eat in the dining room. Again.
Eat in my dining room.
Very
Uh,
good. I
good.
eat. Okay. Potato, since you don't have computer, this activity will be done on Thursday. Okay? Because you cannot
Yes.
write on the iPhone, right? Can you write on the phone or no?
No.
No. Okay. All right. So, Potato, that's all for today. Goodbye for now, Potato.
This avocado.
Again, I cannot hear.
No.
Huh?
This avocado. You eat avocado.
Oh, yeah,
This
because
avocado.
it's already time. We just ended our first class. This is our second class. You want to say hi to my daughter? You want to see my daughter?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. So, Potato, goodbye for now. Goodbye.
No.
Why no?
No.
Okay.
No.
What? You still want to talk to teacher?
No.
Look at here.
No. No. No.
You have the same age. How old are you, Potato? Potato, how old are you?
5 years old.
Oh, Luisa, how old are you, Luisa?
5.
5 too. Oh, say hi to Potato, Luis. Say hi. Say good evening.
Baby potato.
Do you know how to speak English?
I want to.
Potato, do you know how to speak English, Potato?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am in Vietnam.
Yes. You are in Vietnam. Luis is in Philippines. Say hi to Potato. Hi, Potato. Good night, Potato.
Bye bye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.